There's a big game played by the insiders and market makers today, guys. 5 stocks exploded but then shorted. We took the profit precisely at those levels as the insider did, we did with them. Hopefully you saw the video. So let's get right to it without further ado, guys. First off, we have naked. Boom! The price went at our precise level of resistance where we draw this line. It was like almost 1 month, guys, or 2 months we've been doing like analysis for naked for a lot of time and been consolidating a lot here. So as I said, guys, we're gonna see a test again around this ascending line. That's what we did. And pre-market we went near the 0.98, the massive rejection area. As I said, the price went up, guys, because we have a support around the 0.62. We hold it for days and weeks here, and was the price was charging, and we did double top here, and the price got rejected exactly around our ascending line, as I said in Patreon, guys, to take a profit here, and that's what we did. And again, right now there is a test for the support, which is the 0.77, and guess what happened, guys? Precise with a wick with the candle, precise bounce, okay, around the 0.77. This is not by luck, okay, this was played by insiders, okay. So now your question, the 1 million question, okay, where the price will go from now, okay. If we go just in smaller picture, you see there is a green candle forming precisely around our support, and we have a gap, okay. So the technical area right now to hold for naked is holding this gap first. If we don't fill the gap, guys, I guarantee you for this one we're gonna see the $1, okay. Filling the gap, this will be a bit of weakness. I will take us a bit of time to overcome this resistance, and it does mean there is a massive selling pressure here above us, and we need to offset this selling pressure with buying pressure in order to go to $1. So right now, first off, we don't want to see a filling for this gap, which is holding around the 0.77, and we see a consolidation before we're gonna see a price go again retest around the 0.98. And again, 0.98 is the big squeeze, okay. If we have a 1 hour candle closing above 1 hour candle, just it, we're gonna see the price go for the next technical area, which is the $1.46. And again, $1.77 is the price to hold for naked for this week. And the next one, we have ATR. Oh boy, we said it as well, it will explode, and we talked about it in the last video, guys. And guess what? Boom! At the market open, we have the price went up, and guess what? We took profit. The market, when the market is opened, we took our profit. Okay, here, why wait? Around it was around 8. Okay, so my price is actually triggered, and the price went down. Right now, we see a bit of testing of support. So we have a support, guys, around the $6.67. We went today around the $6.87, and we bounced. Right now, we see a consolidation. Right now, this is a really important, guys, level to hold for ATER. Okay, this is really important to hold in order to see a retest. Right now, the next retest will be around hopefully we don't see a rejection around the $8 or $7.90. So this is will confirm if we have still the selling pressure there or not, because we have even our extension average coil down on us, so there's a massive selling pressure happening. So first off, we have to reload here, never go below the $6.67, and retest around the $8 in order to have the squeeze around the $9. The $9 will be the squeeze area, and the price to hold in order to tell you that ATER will go at least for $11.89. The next one, FCEL energy, and I guess what? We did it again, guys. We said the $11.13 is the resistance, take your profit, and guess what? We have a rejection, and that's why the price went down. Okay, right now we have a fueling up, so this is a better reaction that we did with ATR and naked, because we have a selling pressure but we have a buying pressure and the price is still near the resistance. So this is better play, because for fuel cell energy will be better squeeze, because like the buying pressure is more than selling pressure. So by tomorrow we're gonna see a retest for the $11 per 13, and we need a closing here in order to go to 13.89 for FCEL. And again, the support that will be holding, the really strong support should be hold is above the $9. And the next one we have Riot, guys. Riot is, as I said, the resistance that we predict is the 40. And guess what, guys? The price as well got rejected precisely at around the level of interest. When we predict the price will jump and have this massive buying pressure here, because we have a massive triangle, guys, here. Okay, that's why we have this breakout, and we predicted the breakout around the 1st of November, guys. If you saw the video around our pre-market and our Patreon, you can actually check the Patreon in comment section below if you want pre-market update or analysis for your stock, or even one-on-one meeting with me to arrange a strategy for you to hunt with us. Okay, so as I said, we said it in the Patreon and even in YouTube, the price will be having a jump and big buying pressure. So this is good, because a lot of my hunters try to break even, okay, around the $3 the 3.19, and so I said this is still enough room to have explosion, because we already have a conforming here. So this is when you have a strategy, guys, you expand your profit and you minimize your loss, because you know when you get out and you know when you get in. This is really important, you see, because when you maximize your gain is really important in the long run. So because one trade will actually offset all the loss that you did, but the loss, if you did it just will be 5%, 4%, not going down with the stock going down and you average down. This is a really big no-no. Okay, that's why I always tell you, build a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, join us in Patreon. Okay, so as I said, the $40 is the rejection. That's why we don't have a closing candle, even 1 hour candle we don't have. This is crazy. So right now the price is going down. We will see a retest around the 40, and again we need the close above here in order to conform for the value the valued price, which is around the 52. Okay, and the support right now is still around will be around, technically around the 34. And lastly, we have BEBIG, and a lot of question from you. What's going on with BEBIG? Do update about BEBIG. So yeah, I will do update for you guys. So still kind of have prayer sign right now, because right now we're heading toward the $4, where we're gonna see the buying pressure happening there. Yes, is around about to happen. Okay, so wait for it, guys, because we've been downtrending a lot. Okay, we have a big dive right now. We have a slowing in momentum of selling pressure, which mean there's buying pressure coming in. There's a new investor coming in. So this is the last support for BEBIG to have a massive buying pressure, guys, coming in. That's it. Okay, and the price will test this level. Okay, just take a profit here. Okay, and tag me later around the $5.98 or $6. This will be another rejection area. We might go until the $7.58, but the most probable rejection that will happen sooner, which is around the $6. Okay, when we bounce from the $4, I will be hunting around this technical area. Will be a really good price here around the $4 or around the $4.10. Okay, this will be crazy buying pressure opportunity for BEBIG if we hold. Okay, we don't want to see any closing candle below this level. And again, guys, always have a strategy. Okay, always have a strategy to enter with the target profit and stop loss as well, in order to to hunt with exactly with insiders. Guys, if you want to build this strategy, join us in Patreon. So without further ado, see you in the next video.